What even is this game? What do I do? Smacks pollen. What is this huge beehive slot? I will claim. What is this bee bear dude? What are those millions you have? What does honey do? Oh yes, time. Oh, what is this puppy? Bonk. What is gingerbread dude? Oh, well that's understandable, but quest received. Bees missed bee corp. Whoa, what? Where's the puppy dog? Reindeer. Aha, here it is. But why is it plain? Talk to black bear. Why your wreath so empty? Sunflower start. Oh, this the puppy bee reindeer. Alright guys, I'm going to buy some Robux game. Oh, okay, reindeer puppy pack. I will buy this now. Oh wait, what that? What is this? Three macro converters. What the cannon do? What is this cannon? Go inside. Ah, yes, cannon man. What that ticket up there? Why can I not? What is this? What is this house? My house. I sit. No, my house. I sit here. What did Mother Bear do? What make the? Why make me have to do so much stuff? You painful. Why? What are these quests so painful? Alright, I'm going to buy this reindeer puppy pack now. Oh, buy Bobok. Purchasing. This purchase was not completed. Well, okay, bye. Oh, guys, I bought the reindeer puppy pack. The reindeer antlers are a limited time only obtainable during the winter event. Offer ends February 28th, and it gives you puppy bee, reindeer antlers, 50 gingerbread bear. What would 50 gingerbread bear do? It just costed me 800 Bobok. But why is it so expensive? Why? Okay, let's open it now. What is inside? Gingerbread bear. What? An egg. A puppy be inside there. I think so. Let's see what else. What else in here? Oh, even more gingerbread bear. Oh, and I think there's one more gingerbread bear in here. Definitely. Let's get it now. Here's the last one. Now I have 50 gingerbread men. And let's open the egg. What's inside? Here it is. The egg. So, to do is open it. Oh wait guys, it's kinda hard to open it. How are we going to open it now? Oh I know, we'll rip it. No wait. We opened it. No we didn't. How do you open this thing? Puppy be inside there trapped. I cannot open it. Help! Help! Why is it so hard to open? Ah! 1 hour later. Ho ho ho! Get that puppy bee. Here he is. Puppy bee. Puppy bee. We have it now. Yes, this will help me. Now I'll become pro. Okay guys, I got the puppy bee and the gingerbread bears, and now we going to get the tomo. Oh my god guys, it made me super pro. Puppy bee pack is OP. This right here, mega OP guys. Get it if you can. It's really OP and you should get it, cause it's going to make you pro instantly. Guys, get it now, right now. It's limited time of February 28th. Now buy now. I am OP.